Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Hollywood Story. I have been away for quite some time now. I know a lot of people started to really like these videos, and I didn't think that it would be anything as what it became to be, but I did want to get back on here and start filming these videos for you again. So I haven't been on since probably the fall of last year. So I'm a little worried to see what has happened since I've been away. So yeah, a lot of pop-ups coming up since I've been off. But yeah, I just wanted to basically get back on here and maybe do like a video where I'm getting an outfit for the new Barbie movie. I don't know if any of you guys have seen it yet, but I've heard really great things about it and I'm dying to see it. So yeah, here's my girl, and oh, I'm shocked my man is still here. I assumed he left me. I do know that a Hollywood tragedy has come upon us, and I'll talk about that here in a minute. But okay, let's see what we have related to Barbie. So we're looking for something hot pink, really girly, and Barbie. I like this dress, but no. Okay, yeah, definitely this one for now, but we are going to go shopping to see if we can find something a little bit better. So yeah, stick around and I'll take you shopping with me. So this is the look that I have right now, just with items that I already owned. So one of the Hollywood tragedies is I had a goldfish, if you guys remember the pet video. So he swam away. I will have to get another pet, but yeah, I didn't know that they could leave, if you didn't feed them or take care of them like you're supposed to. But yeah, my pet has left me. And I wanted one of the cats instead of the fish, but that was part of a task. So I think he was like 25 or 20 diamonds, something like that. But yeah, he went away. And not only did my fish run away, they took Jack from me. So my baby that I adopted in my part 1 and part 2 video that you guys saw, they have taken him away, unfortunately, because I did not take care of him. So make sure you're taking care of your pets and your child on this game, or they will be taken from you. So now we're just going to go to a few shops and see what items and clothes that we can find for our Barbie look today, and see kind of what we can create and see the final result. I might have like 2 options, I don't know, because I am really liking the one I'm currently wearing, but I just wanted to spend some diamonds. I don't have hardly any cash, as you guys can see. I may have to do another lucky hour. Yeah, I may have to do another lucky hour since I've been away for so long. I probably already have it, I just haven't checked. And I know a lot of you watched that video of mine on the lucky hour and tried to play it and everything, and it worked out for some of you and it didn't for others. So it is a chance game. I mean, you have to go in knowing that you may win a lot or you may lose it all. It's all part of the game, and I looked up in that video, there's been plenty of times where I didn't win that much. I actually lost everything. So it can be really fun and rewarding, but it also can make you lose a lot of your cash or your diamonds. So just keep that in mind. So I'm not really finding anything that I just love in these stores. This dress is cute, but I don't know. I don't really like it for the look I'm trying to go for. So we're going to keep searching and see what we can find. Okay, so we're going to go back to Fashion Paradise and see what she has to offer. Oh, well, here we go. So this is something that I'm kind of looking for. So similar color to what I had on, but more of a long, elegant dress. So we got that. And yeah, I'm still not seeing anything else. We've already checked out the store, but we did get that dress. So let's go change her hair up because this is not giving me Barbie vibes at all. And I see that it looks like they've added some new hair. Or maybe they haven't. Maybe I've just been off for so long that I've forgotten. But yeah, we're going to change up her hair and then put a look together and we'll see what we think. So I went with this beautiful like floral space bun hairdo. I think it's so pretty and incorporates that pink iconic Barbie color. We've got our dress on and just I might change a few of the accessories. I do like what I've already gotten on from the first outfit, but yeah, we're gonna see what this outfit ends up looking like and see if we like it. This is the look so far that I'm going to use for my premiere. You know, I know it's not the Barbie movie, it's this winter impulse, but still, we're gonna pretend, okay? So we're actually gonna check the special outfits. Perfect. I forgot that they did this. So yeah, I'm actually loving this look right here. We might have to get it. Okay, so we're gonna go put on our even newer clothes and see what we think between the two outfits. So this is such a cute, fun, flirty little Barbie dress. I do love the heels with the tights. The headband I'm not gonna wear just because of how extravagant her hair already is, and I feel like that would clash. But what are we thinking? Do we like this outfit or the previous one or the very first one I had on? Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, which one your favorite outfit was for the Barbie premiere. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe and I will see you on the next one. Bye.